Virgin Galactic Unity 22 is a suborbital spaceflight of the Spaceship Two class VSS Unity which launched on the 11th of July 2021. The crew consisted of pilots David Mackay and Michael Masucci as well as passengers Sirisha Bandala, Colin Bennett, Beth Moses, and Richard Branson. On the 7th of June 2021, Jeff Bezos announced that he is planning to be on the first crewed flight of his company Blue Origin, which meant being aboard the first crewed flight to space. Despite the rivalry, shortly before the flight, Bezos offered well wishes to Branson. SpaceX founder and Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk personally met with Branson shortly before the flight. On the 11th of July 2021, Unity's mothership VMS Eve carried VSS Unity in a parasite configuration to be drop-launched. At T+238, Unity reached apogee at a 282,773 feet and just above the mesopause at 86.182 kilometers.